Hey guys, welcome. So this is the Make It Mini Nature series. I have not seen a lot on these, so we're gonna apparently not open them well. Um, okay. Man. Hey look, a pencil marking. I'm not doing that many that fast. But I think I have a couple dozen of these. I don't even know what our options are, but I was also thinking they'd be good for making little minis of animal stuff. So let's take a look at the book first to see what our options are. Okay. Oh, chili peppers. Right, this is why I wanted them. They had more garden stuff. Is there really only... So there's 8 to collect. Okay. So we got chili peppers, a lemon tree, Venus flytrap, corn. Right. I want to make a garden. Oh. Oh. Pansies. There we go. I'm like, that's not English. Morning glory. Oh, that's cute. A bonsai. Oh, I want the bonsai tree. And, oh, that's super cute too. Okay. So, there's 8, and I have definitely more than 8, so we're good. Okay. We got dirt. We got the blossom mix. We got... I'm going to say Mini Pose, issue number 4. Oh, it has a rip in it. Spice up your backyard. Feeling zesty. Soil matters. Now and Zen. Oh, this is super cute. Let's get corny. Okay. I won't lie. I love the mini post stuff. They're adorable. Oh, we got the pansies. Okay, so this goes like that. And this goes like that, and we snap together. And then this just sits on it, or does it snap? Oh, it kind of snaps in. Sort of. Oh, I have the wrong sides. What the heck? Does oh. Yeah, once again, wrong sides. Okay, and then we have our little dirt. I love these. These are so cute. Okay. So, I love that they come in this. Man, I'm having flashbacks to when I used to garden with my parents back in the day. It was actually funny. I was talking with my aunt who lives down in Georgia, and she was talking about getting her yard ready, and I started laughing, and I'm like, we got snow. It was just yesterday? Yeah, it was yesterday. We just got a skiff of snow, so we're nowhere near ready for starting to get our gardens ready. But She said she's pretty much taking a risk too, but they're heading off down to golf tournament because my uncle, who's got freakishly good eyesight for a man his age, is one of the ball spotters at the tournament out that goes on. I feel like it was the Masters, but I'm not 100% sure. All I know is he's usually on TV when he does this. And he's been asked to come back because you have to have perfect 20/20 vision to be a ball spotter, apparently. Which was not something I knew till he signed up to be a ball spotter. And I just honestly can't believe that he still has perfect 20/20 vision. Kind of jealous of that part. Because there is no way. Like, I've needed glasses since I was grade 4, actually. Yeah, grade 4 is when I started wearing glasses. Because I was blind. So, 9 years old? Yeah. I don't think I had turned 10 yet. Okay, so these are pretty cute. And I feel like a little drunk. Just trying to make them stand up a bit better. But these are cute. Okay. So, first one, super cute. Love it. Can't wait to see what I get next. So I will see you guys in the next video.